we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of VCOKEN permanent outdoor lights, 111 feet with smart 72 LED Eaves lights with app control remote. Consists of the following features. Holiday lighting upgrade. Introducing a new anti-glare lens design for better triangle lighting. The dual LED design offers 75 scene modes and 16 million colors to match your home's exterior lighting perfectly, presenting true, rich, full-spectrum colors. Colorful lighting effects. Using RGB AI technology, you can create dynamic lighting displays on outdoor Eaves lights, providing a flexible DIY experience with cuttable options. Effortless control. Enjoy seamless operation with the app control. You can set schedules and loop favorite scenes to create unique decorations or accent lighting, create the perfect ambience. Outdoor reliability. The LED Christmas lights outdoor is made of high-quality materials with an IP65 rating, lasting up to 50,000 hours and working in a wide temperature range from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Lifetime DIY installation. Installing each outdoor light takes just 8 seconds with provided tape and screws, making it easy to enhance your home's beauty and uniqueness. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.